So today we are going to learn about how to make a terrain, our own terrain. So first of all, I have taken a classic base plate and we are going to start building it. So in the home tab itself, you can see there is a editor option is there. If you click there, you will see three more options inside: create, region, and edit. We will not talk about create and region. We'll directly go to the edit. Here we will be using seven options. First seven, remaining two, even I am not sure. So if I'll click on add, first of all, I will tell you about the brush settings. The brush which we are going to draw with the terrain, we have three types of brushes. One is like a sphere, then square, and then cube, and then a cylinder. Base size is automatically selected. The brush size will be 6, and you can even choose the material whatever you want. You can choose the brick material or even ice material is there, and even the water is there. So whichever material you wanted to choose, we'll start with the grass. So see, if you see that I have not clicked anywhere, but see there is a grid kind of thing is coming. So if you will draw it like that, your terrain is going to draw like in a vertical space. Now if you want to draw your grid, your terrain in the flat space, go to the top view and then you can do it. Okay, now in the top view I can see my terrain, and then I'm going to make it. Okay, so here uh, okay, so now here I will make it. Now I can make my terrain. I will just fill it up, just dragging and dropping it, and once I'm done with it, I will stop adding it. See, like that. So whatever, how much ever I wanted to make, I can make it. And if you wanted to make the mountains, even that is possible. So like I have made a mountain. Now I'll go back to the left mode, or maybe I'll just go a little bit down and then we will see how it is. See, there is a kind of a bit of mountain is there, and then a bit of terrain is being drawn here. Okay, now this is about adding a terrain, right? Now if I wanted to remove my terrain, then there is a second option is subtract. If I click on the subtract, again the brush settings, everything is the same. So if I click on the subtract, and then similarly I just can subtract this. So it is in the horizontally. If I have to do this, it is going to get subtracted. Okay, so I'll show you again from the top view how to subtract this. Okay, if I click on this one, see it is getting subtracted, right? So I can create a hole there whatever I want with the help of the subtract tool. Now the next one is the grow tool. Okay, so the grow tool, like name suggests, we can make mountains with the help of this, right? So grow is going to grow this. For suppose I will click here, the grow tool is there, right? So if I just drag this place and then I will put it, so it is going to make a kind of a mountains or whatever you wanted to make, like something is obstacles or something like that. Okay, so it is going to draw. Now here inside the settings there is a strength option is also there. So strength, if you that is the highest is 1 and lowest is 0. If you put it at 1, it is going to draw at a very higher speed, or something like very uncontrollable sometimes. And if you keep it at 0, it is very slowly it is going to grow. Now, about the erode, similar, this is just opposite of the grow. Just like you are growing something, you can erode something, you can just make it melt, something like that. It is like a deleting kind of tool. Okay, so just an opposite of grow. Then smoothing, suppose you have made a hole here, now you wanted to make it smooth. So see, the edges which I am clicking here is getting smoother now. So smoothing tool is like making it smoother. Okay, so whatever sharp edges are there, that will get smooth. Now flatten is like, again, if you have something like grown something and you want to just flat that place from the top, you can just make it like, see if I can show you. See, it is making flat from the top. Okay, now if you're not sure how this is looking, now maybe from the left view you can see it is looking a little bit flat from the top now. Okay, so this is about the flat tool. Now the last one is paint tool. Now suppose you have made your terrain, and end of this you are thinking like, why did I make it grass or something? I wanted to make something different, and instead of doing